Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. There's a new AI image generator that's just been released, and it's already becoming really popular. It's super impressive. In today's video, I'll be breaking down its features, putting it to the test with creative prompts, and comparing it to other AI tools to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's jump right in. Reve is a web-based platform, and you can access it at Reve.art. Link in the description. Signing up is super simple. Just log in with Google account and you're in. You start with 100 free credits, with each image costing 1 credit. Once you use them up, you'll need to buy more. Now, for settings, I'll pick an aspect ratio, keep enhance on for better details, and leave the seed on auto. The seed controls the starting noise pattern, so setting it manually can recreate the same image, but for most cases, random works just fine. All right, let's generate some images and see how Reve performs. Most AI image generators do well with simple prompts, but I wanted to challenge Reve with more demanding ones. Let's see how it holds up. First, I went with a dark, futuristic cyberpunk setting filled with glowing neon signs and wet streets. I used this prompt: a rainy cyberpunk street at night, neon lights reflecting in puddles, cinematic lighting. Then I hit the reroll button. Reve generated 4 stunning images. The reflections, lighting, and overall atmosphere blended perfectly. Now, let's compare it to Flux AI. While it got the basic idea, the reflections felt off, and the lighting wasn't as striking. Reve definitely won this round. For the next test, I wanted something playful. How about a cat floating in space? I entered this prompt: a fluffy cat in a detailed spacesuit, floating inside a spaceship, weightless fur. Then I clicked reroll. Wow, Reve nailed the details. The spacesuit was highly intricate, the cat's fur actually looked weightless, and the spaceship lighting was on point. How did Flux AI compare? It got the spacesuit right, but the fur? Not so much. Some versions looked stiff, while others completely missed the weightless effect. Another win for Reve, but let's push it even further. Now, let's try something truly enchanting. I use this prompt: a tiny fairy village inside a hollow tree, glowing mushroom houses, mystical atmosphere. Then I clicked reroll, and Reve delivered beautifully. The glowing mushrooms looked magical, the atmosphere was pure fantasy, and the details inside the hollow tree were breathtaking. How did Flux AI do? It grasped the concept, but lacked the vibrant lighting and intricate mushroom house details. So once again, Reve outshined its competition. But how about something even more intense? Now for a high-action scene, an epic Viking battle against a monstrous kraken. I used this prompt: a Viking longship battling a monstrous kraken, massive waves, dramatic lighting. Then I hit generate and waited for the results. The result? Incredible! The kraken looked absolutely terrifying. The Viking ship had stunning details, and the towering waves made the scene feel alive. The dramatic lighting added a cinematic touch that pulled everything together. Now let's see how Flux AI compares. While it got the general composition right, the kraken lacked detail, and the lighting didn't feel as intense. Once again, Reve dominated. From accuracy to lighting effects to dynamic motion, Reve continues to outperform other AI generators. It's definitely one of the best tools available right now. But what do you think? Have you tried Reve yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you enjoy AI-related content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.